Hi students, today we are starting with alternation of generation in pteridophytes, that is fern. Life cycle of fern has sporophyte and gametophyte and they both are dependent on each other. Sporophyte is differentiated into root, stem and leaf. It bears spores and reproduces asexually. Formation of spores from spore mother cell involving meiosis. Thus, spore mother cell is the last structure of sporophyte generation and spore initiates the beginning of gametophytic generation. The haploid spores on germination produce prothallus. Now, we will see on the screen, these are spores, haploid and diploid as we know. Here you can see this is the gametophyte. Here presence of both the gametes are there, male gamete and female gamete. This is female gamete, that is ova. Male gamete, that is antheridia or sperm. Fertilization means fusion, formation of zygote, mitosis and development. New sporophyte is formed which is growing out of gametophyte. Now this is the mature sporophyte. This is cluster of sporangia, release of spores as you can see, and here mitosis and development, and from spores gametophyte will develop. As earlier we have studied alternation of generation, that is 2n/n/2n/n. Gametes, they are haploid, zygote diploid, sporophyte diploid. After meiosis it will be haploid. You can see this is the meiosis. So from where meiosis is starting, haploid structure will start as you can see. This is gametophyte, this is a sperm, that is gametophyte means gametes, male and female gametes, and after fertilization it will convert into 2n, that is diploid life cycle or sporophytic. So in this plant gametophyte alters to sporophyte. Now we are starting with gymnosperm. These are the plants without flower and naked seeds. Naked seeds means covering is not there on the seed. Ovules are not enclosed with ovary walls and remain exposed. They form an intermediate group between pteridophytes and angiosperm. These are woody perennial plant. Perennial plant means they grow whole year. Mainly trees, rarely shrubs and no herbs. We know shrubs and herbs very well. Main plant is sporophyte and heterosporous means different type of spores are there. Male and female gametes are developed but depend on sporophyte for nutrition. In growth pattern, lower branches are longer than the upper one, and this pattern is called monopodial growth. So the tree gives conical shape, that is Christmas tree like shape, and these plants are known as coniferous plant. Leaves are thick and they have the thick layer of cuticle. Sunken stomata means they are inside the leaf, डूबे हुए stomata, which helps to reduce the water by evaporation. Microspore is male gametophyte, megaspore is female gametophyte. Development of pollen grains takes place within the microsporangia, and the cones bearing megasporophylls are known as megasporangia. The pinus, in pinus, female and male gametophyte develop on the same tree, and in cycas they are born on different trees. Megaspore mother cell is differentiated from one of the cell of the nucellus, and the nucellus is the central part of an ovule which contains embryo sac. And the embryo sac is the megaspore of a seed bearing plant situated within the ovule and giving rise to endosperm. And the endosperm is a tissue produced inside the seed of most of the flowering plants following fertilization. Now, which forms the egg cell or nucleus from which the embryo plant develops after fertilization. Nucellus is protected by ovule. Ovules are borne on megasporophyll, which may be clustered to form female cones. Megaspore mother cell mitotically divide and form 4 megaspore. One of the megaspore is enclosed within the megasporangia. Formation of archegonia means female gametophyte. The pollen grains are released from microsporangia. Microsporangia reaches to ovule through neck. Fertilization takes place. Formation of zygote and embryo. Seed formation without cover, which is the characteristic of pteridophyte. Now these are the examples of pteridophyte, that is, you can see Cycas, this is Pinus, and this is Ginkgo. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.